The Honda 125 is a perfect blend of style, efficiency, and reliability, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting and city rides. Its compact design and lightweight frame allow for easy maneuverability in crowded streets, giving riders a smooth and hassle-free experience. The bike's sleek graphics and modern aesthetics make it stand out, while the ergonomic seating ensures comfort during short trips or longer rides. With its responsive handling and low maintenance requirements, the Honda 125 is built for practicality without compromising on style or performance. Powered by a 124cc engine, the Honda 125 delivers a balance of fuel efficiency and sufficient power for urban and semi-urban roads. The engine runs smoothly, offering excellent mileage that makes it budget-friendly for daily use. Its precise gear shifting and clutch system provide a seamless riding experience, while the durable frame ensures long-lasting performance. With advanced suspension systems, the bike handles bumps and uneven roads effortlessly, giving riders confidence in every ride. Safety and convenience are key highlights of the Honda 125. The bike features reliable braking systems, bright LED headlights for clear night visibility, and turn indicators that enhance rider safety. Its lightweight design allows for quick stopping and stable handling even in tight spaces. The digital display panel keeps the rider informed with speed, fuel levels, and other essential details. Together with a sturdy kickstand and comfortable footrests, the Honda 125 ensures a secure and pleasant ride for all riders, from beginners to experienced commuters. Beyond practicality, the Honda 125 offers a stylish and modern design that appeals to younger riders and enthusiasts. Its sporty look, combined with vibrant color options and polished finishes, adds a touch of personality to every ride. The bike's low-maintenance engine, strong build, and dependable performance make it a practical investment for daily commuting or weekend adventures. With Honda's reputation for quality and reliability, the 125 is not just a bike, but a companion that promises consistency, efficiency, and style in every journey.